OnePlus has been teasing an upcoming affordable smartphone for quite some time now, and today the company finally confirmed that this phone is coming under a new series named OnePlus NOD. Now this is not about the OnePlus NOD, but this is the first time the company itself has rebuilt it. In the episode 1 of its A New Beginnings documentary, OnePlus confirmed the name and also revealed a couple of interesting details in case you want to watch the episode. It is available on the company's Instagram account and the link is in the description below. In that episode, OnePlus One is a new product line for the company, which means the affordable phone that is launching soon will have a name which is an extension of OnePlus NOD. B. Cloudy, founder and CEO of OnePlus, also announced that the upcoming device dually priced under $500. So it is going to be the company's first product under $500 in just recent years. The first phone under the OnePlus 2 notes it is launching in Europe and India first. In fact, tomorrow 100 units of this phone will be up for pre-order. White Instagram page of the company. Now if you talk about the affordable phones from OnePlus, then the first device that comes in mind is the OnePlus X. That phone was launched in 2015, and why it was a very impressive device in terms of body specifications and price. The CEO of OnePlus admitted that it was a flop because even though it was a great budget of range for OnePlus 2 plus 40 OnePlus flagships, at that time the price gap between the OnePlus X plus OnePlus 2 was not that huge. New OnePlus X long to add to $49 when I see OnePlus 2 at $330. So spending extra $40 OnePlus 2 was absolutely worth it. Fast forward to this year, the OnePlus 8 starts at $700, so there's a gap in the sub $500 price segment that OnePlus is going to be filled with the new OnePlus Nord cities. When it comes to the specifications of this upcoming OnePlus, a note for this device: so many people that there is a Snapdragon 75-digit set of 32 plus 8 megapixel front camera. 90s play without you lyrics for captions with the OnePlus Nord. Let me know why the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one.